I'm Sam Lenny and I'm a natural therapist. Today I'm going to give you a technique you can do on your hands which will help relieve any head tension, headaches and even the onset of migraines. So with one thumb you take the thumb of the other hand and you gently walk up and over the top of the thumb. You can even, with the thumb or the finger, press firmly on the very tip of the thumb for a few seconds. Now we want to balance the body, so repeat this exercise on the thumb of the other hand too. Do this daily and whenever you've had a busy day of concentration and focus, and this will release your mind from any tension.